Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming fit and strap condition. This prevents discomfort later. First, put the watch on your non-dominant wrist and close the clasp lightly. Once done, test wrist movement and note pressure points. Make small link removals or add micro adjustments to achieve a secure but not tight fit. Be deliberate. You want the case to sit flat and the strap to allow one finger to slide between wrist and bracelet. This sets the baseline for final fine-tuning. Once baseline fit is set, focus on balancing the bracelet. Remove links evenly from each side of the clasp so the watch sits centered. This prevents the head from riding toward your hand. Make one adjustment at a time and retry the clasp to assess comfort. If using micro-adjust holes, shift clasp position in 1/2 increments until movement feels natural. Also confirm that the bracelet allows slight wrist expansion when warmed, so it doesn't pinch during activity, yet remains stable. Now wear the watch for several hours to validate your adjustments. Move through typical motions, typing, lifting, turning to ensure no rubbing or slippage. If you notice rattling, tighten the relevant pins or use a micro-adjust to reduce play. For persistent misalignment or damaged pins, visit a jeweler. Make sure to recheck the clasp security before strenuous activity. One troubleshooting tip: if the watch tilts repeatedly, rebalance links around the clasp rather than tightening a single side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.